up, Class Fitsugar? I'm Jenna Willis, and I've got a quick 10-minute HIIT cardio workout for us today. This episode is presented by Allegra for non-drowsy 24-hour allergy relief that starts working in 1 hour. Try Allegra this allergy season.
Being outdoors without allergy symptoms allows me to feel present and connected. Here are some of my favorite tips for getting the most out of an outdoor workout. Find hikes or walks with something special at the end. It always motivates me to keep going, knowing there will be a reward. Accountability means sharing outdoor workouts with friends. We'll do hot girl walks or catch up and hang out. I have seasonal allergies, which can keep me away from wildflower season. Since Allegra starts working in 1 hour, I can make spontaneous plans and check out nature in no time. Now, let's get back to your workout.
Should we do it?
Oh yeah.
Yay! Let's go. It is time to get our bodies toasty. We're gonna dive right in because we only have 10 minutes.
Yeah,
let's get this, baby.
Yeah.
We're gonna start off with some good old-fashioned jumping jack step outs. That's right, I'm being nice to us. We got a little warm up because the rest is full-blown steam right ahead. We're gonna be like Thomas the Engine today. I think I can, and you will, because it's gonna be done before you know it. So just dig deep with me, push through, and know that that blood flow is giving us longer life, more mobility, and literally more years.
Oh yeah.
So here we go, it's time to up it up just a little bit and a little bit more into good old-fashioned jumping jacks. Oh, breathe down into that belly, that's right. Oh, it feels good. Jumping those feet out, facing forwards, expanding ourselves, and again, every single exercise is just one time through today. So give me your all for that one time, and before you know it, we're moving on, just like we are, right here with some ground taps to a high reach. We're gonna go all the way down to the ground and extend up to our tippy toes, up high to the sky, all the way down and all the way up. Again, you get to pick your pace, right? I challenge you to stick with mine today. If you're moving faster than I am, congratulations, because that is super impressive. Please let me know how you do it. If not, stick right here. And we're gonna up the game here by adding an explosive move to this reach, by jumping up. This brings me back to my college volleyball days, right? You're trying to get up and over that net. This is a whoa, jump it up. Instead of pump it up right now, we're whoa, jump it up. Okay, but seriously, drive up, sorry, I went somewhere, I'm back. We're almost there, just a few more seconds, and we're gonna go into a foot reach right here. Woo, come on. Woo. Number two, don't be mad at me, love me for it. And just like that, we're gonna go up and across. That foot is gonna go down to your side, and we are gonna up the game with this. I love getting that heart rate up and then lowering it down just enough to then get it right back up, baby. So don't get too comfortable. Don't you do it, because we're going a little bit deeper. We're gonna add that lateral lunge into a high knee hop. And if you're in this workout right now and you're like, I need something that's a little lower impact, not quite as intense, go ahead and follow along with Nikki today, right?
I got you.
Right? Here we go. Good, all the way down, all the way up. If not, follow Harrison and myself for a little more explosive movement. And just like that, whoo, we are right onto the other side. Here we go. Those cross reaches, driving up and over. Good, extending, a little sneaky ab move in there. That's right, we're absolutely rocking it. I brought out the cheese, I'm sorry. Come on, up and across.
I love cheese.
And
I love sneaky abs.
little sneaky abs, everybody loves little sneaky abs. And you know that we're gonna have to hit that lateral lunge to the high knee hop on the other side. The question is, who's coming with me? Last one, and just like that, hit it, don't quit it, with that lateral lunge, high knee hop. That's what he said, sorry about that. Here we go, all the way down, all the way up, drive up off the floor, and explode up to the sky. Go to that happy place. You are worth every second of this workout, and you are making that change. Last one. Woo! All right, this next exercise, we got 3 punches with the knee drive. Let's go ahead and start with our left. It's like 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2, 3, kick it. Here we go. That timer is going. Woo! I don't know about you all, but this one's kind of fun. It's like we choreographed it. There it is. Allow it to get that heart rate up though, right? You are moving this quick and driving through. I see Harris over there hitting that knee clap and make me want to join in. Here we go. I messed up, it's okay, keep going, don't give up on me. It's all right. This is why I was put in the back of dance class. I really was.
We got
Here's
you.
the thing, jazz class, when I was at gymnastics camp, they'd always be like, and Jenna, you're in the back. It's okay. All right, next exercise, we have full-blown ball slams all the way up to the sky. Drive it down to the mat. Now, we're gonna get a little hop in here, make it a little exciting, right? And if it's too much, just extend, hit those tippy toes, and then drive that ball down to the ground. Nice. Okay, we're gonna move these into a lateral position here. So we're gonna take that ball, we're gonna slam it up to the first side, shift it over and bring it down to the other side. Wow, good, and yes, there it is. Can you drive it a little bit harder? Get that ball up a little bit higher. Imagine it's really there. Oh, I love this move because you get to let it all out, right?
Yes.
You let it go, let it, okay, I'm sorry. Beautiful. Stick with me here. Come on, you are almost there. A few more seconds with this move. I know it's burning, but it's burning in all of the good places. Last one, and wow, how we doing? Come on, there's no break yet. All I ask for is 10 minutes. So we're right here with some good old-fashioned cross jacks. Beautiful. Now the difference from those first jumping jacks when you were here, you're actually crisscrossing your feet. Beautiful, hands are all the way up and out, driving up to the sky. Nice big breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. And we're gonna shift this in to the skate rink. I heard that, she's like, hold on. The struggle is real. So we're gonna go right here, just tap it down to the ground and out. That first crisscross, it was leading us to this, right? Now, no one should feel like they're in an ice rink at this point. Your body temperature is up. You are pushing yourself. Good. Diving a little bit deeper here. Woo! Those legs are burning. That heart rate is up, and we're gonna go back to a lateral move with some wood chops, but we're gonna up the game. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. It's like this. We're gonna chop it up. Give me that knee drive and up and across. Woo! This one's kind of fun, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
I know, you're like twisting. This is also a good sneaky ab move. Beautiful, good. Did you just try and get more intense here? No, Paris is like, let me add a knee hop, making me look bad over here.
No, I just was in a hole.
Come on, stick with me. We have to hit the other side. One more. There it is, and go ahead, switch it up. That other knee's gonna go up and shift it across. Good, all the way up, down and out. Squeeze those shoulder blades down and back. Give me those high knees. Beautiful. Come on, you're almost there. Last one. Okay, one more, because I can. Don't yell at me. And we're gonna crunch it out. So we're going high knee, cross, high knee, cross. If the jump, this one feels like we're in a dance class, I kind of like it. Now, the difference is that first one is a drive and then crunch. And yes, we are gonna hit that other side, so don't worry about it. Drive that knee up and cross it like you mean it. And go ahead, switch to the other side. So it's like this, high knee, cross, other side, high knee, cross, high, cross. Yes, there it is. It's kind of fun, isn't it?
Yes.
This one you're like, I could do this for days. Just kidding, you won't.
I don't know about that.
But guess what? You only have 5 more seconds. So go ahead, go to that happy place. Dig deep, 1 more, and we're gonna shuffle it out. Wow. I don't know about you all, but that heart rate is real. Right now, how are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you doing, babe?
Feeling
Good, oh yeah. This is when I say it hurts so good. Let that heart rate lower down just a little bit because we're gonna go into some good old-fashioned jumps right here. Double feet, yes. Imagine that jump rope is right there with you. You are exploding up off the ground, driving off the floor, good. You're getting to your tippy toes. If it's a little too much for you, if you need a little lower impact, and all I'm asking for is just a few double unders to give me your all, to dig deep, whoo, and to push just a little bit harder because all I asked for was 10 minutes today. 1 more, cause we can. That was 2 more, but guess what? You are officially done.
Yes.
Thank you all so much for joining this class, Fitsugar. I'm Jenna Willis, and thank you, Allegra, for presenting this episode. Be sure to catch us at more Class Fitsugar. Bye-bye. Wow.
Bye, guys.
I keep wanting those 5s because it felt so good.